Jewellery makers frowned when Arun Jaitley ignored their plea to ease import curbs on gold. But the finance minister knew something that they didn't. Gold imports are once again out of bounds, surging by nearly 50% from a month ago to $3.1 billion in June, pushing the trade deficit to the worst in 11 months at $11.7 billion. But there are experts who believe that there is no reason to raise an alarm already.
The number of close to $12 billion, frankly, is still very, very manageable. Even if gold imports were to be sort of allowed again at some stage, given the prospects of better growth in the country, I suspect we won't see too much of an impact in terms of people rushing to try and buy gold at this stage. Gold as an investment class hasn't yielded very great returns in the last couple of years.
Overall imports, however, remained under check at $38.2 billion, down 2.4% compared to May, as the oil imports cooled a bit despite the Iraq crisis. At $13.3 billion, India's oil import bill was nearly 8% lower from a month ago. But it's the slowdown in exports once again that took the sheen off the data. Exports slipped 5.4% in June to $26.4 billion compared to $28 billion in May. Sequential exports data still shows a very unstable trend. But compare this to the same time last year, Indian exporters are in a much better place. Nearly 10% growth in exports in the first quarter. Essentially showing that it's imports, particularly gold, that the government will have to get a firm grip on before the trade balance could tilt in our favor. Sriram Iyer, ET Now, New Delhi.